Think about how much of your identity isn't actually you. When you were born, you were given a nationality, you were given a name, you're given a religion, you were given a color, you're
Social
given
Security.
a social security
Don't lose
number,
it.
a passport number, your stock number, right? You're given your numerical human resource. This is your expendable character, and you were thrown off to the first programming camp, kindergarten, right, where you were told to stand in line under the fluorescent lights. You couldn't raise your hands. You were told when you had to pee. You weren't allowed to be a child and play, and therefore you were a failure, and you were left behind if you didn't adapt into the system really quickly. You were able to graduate into the next degree, which is very interesting. And then you go into elementary school, after your brain leaves that theta state of programming, and you start to realize that all these kids are being programmed by other people that have selfish intentions, and that you have to deal with that programming that you've gone through yourself, and understand that the origin of the content that you consume may have ulterior motives, and you have to be able to explore them and be okay with changing your philosophy and your worldview and your lane if you perceive that you have been fooled.